Benvenuti, scholars. Using AI in doctoral research isn't just about what you can do, it's about what you should do. Today, we're diving deep into the ethical complexities that go far beyond plagiarism concerns. Let me share a story that illustrates why character matters in scholarship. But before we do that, hi, I'm Dr. Markette. If you're familiar to this channel, bentornati, or welcome back. If you're new, this channel is about helping you get through the doctoral program more efficiently. So here is a lesson from the soccer field. In addition to my work with doctoral students, I love coaching soccer, and I've coached levels ranging from 8-year-olds all the way through semi-pro for over 30 years. Inevitably, during training games, my boys will argue over whether the ball was out of bounds or not. Sometimes they know it was out, but hope the referee didn't see it. In those moments, I tell them something that applies just as much to doctoral work. I'd rather lose with honor than win by cheating. The same principle governs how we use AI in our research. It's not about what you can get away with. It's about maintaining the integrity that makes your work valuable and trustworthy. Your doctoral journey is about becoming not just a scholar, but an ethical scholar. Most discussions about AI ethics focus on plagiarism and academic dishonesty. But the ethical landscape is much deeper. Consider data privacy. When you upload your research data into an AI tool for analysis, where does that data go? Who has access to it? If you're working with sensitive information or human subjects data, this becomes critical. Make sure to check with the AI platform that you're using and make sure it has a strong data privacy policy. Then there's an algorithmic bias. AI tools are trained on existing literature and data, which means they can perpetuate existing biases in your field. If you're researching underrepresented populations or challenging dominant paradigms, AI suggestions might inadvertently push you toward mainstream perspectives that don't serve your research goals. One way to mitigate this is to make sure you're doing your research using various sources and platforms. This may span from Elicit, Google Scholar, ProQuest, and your school's library. It is also vital that you rely on your intellect. AI cannot replace your judgment. Other considerations are transparency and methodology. Here's an ethical question many doctoral learners don't consider. If AI significantly influences your research design, literature selection, or data analysis approach, do you need to disclose this in your methodology section? I would argue yes. Academic research is built on transparency and replication. Another scholar should be able to replicate your study. Therefore, it is imperative that you describe exactly how you used AI and you document it. This isn't about admitting weaknesses or using contraband resources. It's about scholarly integrity. Just like calling the ball out when you know it was out, even if the referee didn't see it. Let's face it, AI is here to stay. So instead of feeling a stigma about using it, provide information in your Chapter 3, the chapter all about procedures of the study, that you used it. Include what prompts you used. Include what platform you used. Include how you used it for brainstorming research questions, semi-structured interview questions, and coding. But also include the steps you took within each of those steps to show your discernment and scholarly insights to refine the output from AI to make it useful for your study. Remember that AI is a tool that you manipulated to make it your own, not a copy and paste service that you simply transferred from the output and dumped in your manuscript. This is not what scholars do. So let's chat about how to attribute your use of AI. When AI helps you identify connections between theories or suggest novel research directions, how do you attribute these contributions? Well, this is uncharted territory, and different institutions are developing different guidelines. My recommendation is to err on the side of transparency. You don't want to be in a position after graduation of always looking over your shoulder for fear of being caught. Instead, keep detailed logs of how you use AI tools. When AI contributes to your thinking in significant ways, acknowledge it. But also be clear about your own intellectual contributions, the critical analysis, the creative synthesis, the novel insights that are uniquely yours. In reality, your use of AI is on the cutting edge of scholarly academic development. Be proud that you're forging the way for others behind you with descriptions in your chapter 3 so that they can learn from you. Your committee and your field need to understand what you've contributed to knowledge. Character and scholarship means being honest about both your strengths and your sources of help. Overall, ethical AI use in doctoral research isn't about following rigid rules. It's about maintaining the character and integrity that makes scholarly research valuable to society. Just like on the soccer field, winning isn't worth it if you compromise your honor. Your doctoral degree should represent not just your intelligence, but your integrity. Let me help you get to graduation. Your dog.
Oh my gosh.
Enough of that. Good boy, Rex. Can you sit? Good boy. What a good boy.